Hey friends, I know last time I showed you how to make a paper airplane. This time, I'm going to show you guys how to make an airplane using straws and paper. And now this one only requires 3, but you can use 4, which is what I'm going to show you. Or you can experiment and make your own and see how they work. All you need to do this are at most 4 straws. Probably not as big as mine. These are smoothie straws, so if you have smaller ones, you can use them. You need a piece of paper, some tape, and a pair of scissors. And to get started, first thing you're going to do is take your piece of paper and you're going to cut all the way down in a straight line about this big. You see how I'm cutting as straight as I can? You gotta keep going. Well, it's not perfectly straight, but that's okay. It's still gonna work. You need it to be about this big. And then what we're gonna do is cut another one. So you're gonna do the same thing 2 times. So you're gonna cut another strip out, just like this. And once you have the second strip, you're gonna take it and fold it in half. Make sure it's even and crease it. We're talking a lot about creasing, so crease it and make it flat. And then the next step you will do is take your scissors one more time and cut it in half. So now you should have one really long strip and one strip that's half the size. And then that's all you need the scissors for. If you're using the bendy straws, you need to cut the straws off right before the bendy part so they're nice and straight like these. Next, what we're gonna do, we're just gonna make a circle. So you're gonna act like you're gonna start a chain link. And you're gonna make a circle and get some tape. And then we're gonna tape it together because we don't want it coming apart. So I just taped it right in the middle. Just like this. This way it's now a circle. And you're gonna do the same thing with the smaller one. You're going to tape it just like so, so it stays together as a circle. The tape doesn't like me today. And we're gonna do that. Make sure the tape is nice and flat. There we go. So now we got our 2 circles. And now we don't need the paper anymore, or the extra, or the scissors. So now you're gonna take your straws and the tape, and you're gonna make sure you get enough tape to have it hanging on both sides, just like this. And the first thing you're gonna do is stick it inside the smaller circle and push down the tape so it's nice and flat, and the straw is now holding the paper. And you're gonna do this with each of the straws. So we're gonna take straw number 2, and we're going to, oh, I already forgot to do what I told you guys. Tape on the straw first, and then we put it in and push down so the straws are nice and flat. And you don't want the tape to cover the straws. You want the holes to be open, otherwise this won't work. And we're gonna do it 3rd time. And we are going to, and as you see, it's getting harder and harder to do because I have less room to work with, but that's okay. I'm also using bigger straws than we need. This is what I have laying around the house. So then we push down just like that. There we go. And one more straw. You did the same thing. Try and spread these out as much as you can so it's evenly distributed and being supported by the paper. Now this isn't my best taping job, but it gets the job done. Sorta. I messed up. So now we are going to throw away a piece of tape because I didn't use it. Fix it. There we go, now I got it. All right, so once you have all four, you're gonna take the bigger circle that you made, and you're gonna do the exact same thing. But I would put all the straws inside it first, so it's easier to work with. Get your tape, and start on the edge, and you're gonna do the same thing. And you're just gonna tape them down, just like that. See how I'm taking my time, taping. And when you're done, it should look something like this. See? 3, 4. And then when you throw them, they really do fly. All right, friends, hope you have fun making this airplane. See you next time.